My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host, Tuna, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it'll be right next to me right there. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, cool. So I'm hoping it's that way. Everyone's asleep in the house right now. I have no one to record, so I'm using my ring light. With the stand, so it's actually like I'm using the front face camera, not the back face. That's why, if y'all can see right now, my shirt is backwards. I guess it is, but I don't know. But we're gonna have to make it work. We're gonna do what it do. I keep on looking up because I have clouds on my ceiling. You know, the little cloud ceiling thing, and like a lot of them are like kind of falling down a little bit. So I need to fix that. I don't like that. Anyway, yo, so sneaker review, which I have not done in a while. Get this information ready. I have not done a sneaker review in a while, only because me and Jess, shout out to Jess, we have been doing our reaction videos. Go check them out. Been getting like, you know, like a good feedback on that, so been stuck with that. But I just haven't been buying sneakers like that. Nothing really been popping. July was like a slow month for me, besides the UNC toes, which I did double up on those. And I think I got like another shoe. It was some other, like the lows, the women lows, the top 3 lows, I guess what they call. I passed on them. They still sitting everywhere. I do want the Air Jordan 2 UNCs. I do want that. I saw them in Shoe Palace. They did not have my size, so that's probably a shoe that I might get later on down the line. But I mean, July was a slow month. August is actually gonna be a slow month too, and I'm traveling coming up. September I'm in Tokyo. October I'm in Baltimore and New York for my mother's wedding, and then at the end of the year I'm in Europe. So like I have a lot of traveling that I need to focus on. But enough about that. Let's get into the shoe. Shout out to Foot Locker, just got back. And I like when they give us these boxes like these little special boxes, something like that. I really wish that maybe I should just turn the camera around so it can really like. I'll be right back. Okay, is this better? Hopefully this is better. I won't know until after I try to edit this. So if y'all see this video, that means it look good. But all right. Back to what I was saying. I like when I do these little special boxes like that. I like that. So we got this 2-tone box, the white with this brown right there. Got the Jumpman right there, center right there. It reads Air Jordan 3 Retro. Color is LT Orwood, metallic gold. Suggested retail price I think was $200 if I'm not mistaken. Size 8.5. So you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. Again, I don't even know if it looks good or like this, but hopefully it does. So, standard tissue paper. Okay. So without further ado, put that right there so hopefully you see that. We got the Air Jordan 3 Palomino. Boom. All right. So Air Jordan 3 Palomino. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. Give y'all some information off of sneakernews.com. It will be right next to me right there. It should be up. Sneakernews.com. Shout out to sneakernews.com. It reads, tonal brown hues have overtaken Jordan Brand's retros offering with feverish Oh, Fearness, excuse me. Alongside the widely revered Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG release in September. Up, come on. I'm sorry. Sorry if the camera's moving. Chewy's right here. Move, Chewy. He kind of like knocked the camera down a little bit. I apologize. I saw the camera. Chewy, move. There you go. Move, move, move. He always want to be right up under me. All right. Where was I? The Air Jordan 3 would kick off the Beaverton Banners fall calendar on Saturday. Code name for its autumnal collection of hues, MJ's third signature silhouette dresses his typical leather real estate in a dominant suede treatment, cured almost entirely in light Orwood brown. The latter's blank canvas allows for the Palomino coated elephant print panels to shine through an artistic touch. Chocolate brown contrasts darken the heel and the eye stays above a grayed out tread, while a golden allure shines across the tongue and heel metallic Jumpman insignias. Yeah, and these, like I said, suggested retail price was $200. I butchered that. So, like I said, it's right there if you want to pause it and read it for yourself. But let me take that down right there. Boom, that's down. So, the Palominos. These looked a lot better in pictures than in person for me. Not a bad shoe at all. It looks very small. It is an 8.5. I kind of feel like I should have won a 9. But do threes run big or run small? I'm not really too familiar with threes like that. But I like it. I like the elephant print, the brown elephant print going around it. I do like that. That it's kind of like a wooden feel to it, like chipperwood. I do like that gold accent right there on the tongue. Jumpman, I like it. I mean, it's a nice colorway. Like, it's a nice brown colorway. Not too many people was on this shoe like that. No extra laces, if I'm not mistaken. I know sometimes they put it inside the shoe. No extra laces. Well, never really need it. You don't really need no extra laces for this shoe. Oh no, it's a good shoe. I mean, it's decent. I mean, it's not bad. Like I said, the pictures, I feel like I need to fix that. But anyway, the pictures made it look better than what it is, but it's not that far off. It's not that bad, in my opinion. I mean, 1 to 10, I'm going to give it a 7 because I like the brand. I really like the brand. It reminds me of, I don't even got them no more, my Mocha 3s. I had a pair of Mocha 3s. I love that shoe. I used to wear that shoe so much. The only reason why I got rid of it is because it started yellowing. I don't really like when the Jordans start yellowing like that, but they remind me of the Mocha 3s. I love those Mocha 3s. I used to wear those Mocha 3s all the time. I just love the mocha color. Like, man, and it's like a chocolate mocha color. Yeah, what y'all think about this? Let me know in the comments below. Was it a cop? Was it a drop for y'all? I see a lot of people not really messing with it like that. Like, when I went to Foot Locker, it was nobody really there trying to get it. And it is what it is. Buy what you like. That's why I kind of fell back a little bit from the sneakers myself, because I just haven't been buying shoes like that, because I'm not going to buy everything. I used to do that. Waste of money, and they just waste of space, and I'm just collecting shoes. So now I'm only going to buy things I really like. So I mainly just go for 3s and 4s. And every now and then I might throw a silhouette. I need Jordan to drop a 10. Like, that's like that's in my top 3 favorite silhouettes. He has not dropped a Jordan 10 in such a long time. So I need a Jordan 10 to drop. Mainly, I need the Chicago 10s to drop. I need those. But anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my Instagram is in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, remain your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tunes Kicks. I know y'all can't do it because nobody can't pan up, but representing Tunes Kicks and the whole Tune Squad, you know what to do. Have a nice day.